What's up, everybody? It's your boy Chef Matt, your favorite chef here. About to brine a whole pig head. That's right, a whole pig head. So stay tuned. About to slap this brine together, or this marinade / brine together, and make it do what it do. Check it out. Alright, y'all, so part two. It's been marinated or brined for 24 hours. We're about to pop it in the smoker. Got the smoker already going. We're gonna set this puppy in here. I'm gonna probe it. Get it, hit the start button, and we'll check back in with y'all later when it's done. What's up, y'all? So y'all remember we brined that pig head yesterday or the day before, smoked it yesterday, and this is what it looks like when it's done. Nice, crispy, tender, very, very juicy. Oh my goodness. Some of this out. Oh yeah, nice, good, and juicy. So I don't know what we're gonna do with it yet. So I'll keep you guys posted. Let you know what we're gonna do with it. I don't know. Might make some hog head cheese. Might make some tacos. Might make some burritos. Who knows what we're gonna do with this? Might make a pulled pork sandwich. I don't know yet. I'll let you guys know when I figure it out. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you. We out.